Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024. We're still covering this SEC versus Terraform Labs trial. It's coming to a close, so at least the government is going to be closing its case. Yesterday they had a PR guy that went to work for Do Kwon at Terraform Labs. He became very disgruntled when he learned about the, he says, copying of the ledger, and he was told not to just publicly disclose, as in his role as PR man slash like community handholder on Discord. He couldn't disclose Jump's role in trying to back up the peg of Luna. So there it is. That's a crypto trial. In this, we're going to inevitably the Trump docket, but we'll begin with the SDNY version of it. There were people charged with insider trading on the Trump Media SPAC, and two of them who've been fighting tooth and nail with the government, very aggressive litigation strategy, are now going to plead guilty. That came out yesterday. We reported it, I believe, first. One guy, Gerlich, is still fighting on, and we're looking forward to that trial. We will cover that trial. As everyone has now heard, Trump did post bond with some Knight insurance company, so that's in the Letitia James case. So the appeal goes forward, and of course the April 15th jury selection in the Judge Morshon case. Don't talk about the daughter. That was the ruling yesterday. So those are various things. Now, Senator Menendez has a deadline of today to disclose whether he's going to be making certain affirmative defenses under FARA, the Foreign Agent Registration Act. He was saying that the things that he did for Egypt and Qatar are just in the nature of being a senator. His trial is May 6th, and we will be on it. Meanwhile, at the United Nations, yesterday, Malta took over the Security Council, and people are acting like they're like great little independent country. There was a journalist killed there, and there's a number of money laundering. They show up in the SDNY quite a bit. In any event, not holding any of that against them, we wrote to the Malta mission with questions about the dead journalist, of course, but also about Gaza and other topics. No answer at all. This while Vanessa Fraser, the ambassador, said on camera that we're very committed to transparency, pure hypocrisy that we will not cease. Inner City Press is continuing to push to ask these questions in person. For now, we're going into the court. Inner City Press, to be continued.